Hey y'all, so we grabbed this 6 foot artificial palm tree recently because we wanted to add a little bit more of the tropical feel to our new deck in the backyard. And honestly, it looks way more realistic than what we expected. The leaves have that soft, feathery texture, and the trunk is made with real tree bark instead of that cheap plastic. It even came with a little bit of natural moss around the base that you can throw in if you want, which makes it look like an actual live plant instead of something fake. One of the best things about these is that they need absolutely no upkeep, no watering, no trimming. It just always looks fresh and full. The planter that it comes in is sturdy too, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over if it gets bumped. We've actually been keeping ours outside for the summer on our patio, even though it's meant for indoors, and it's held up really well, no fading or damage. The branches are adjustable, so you can spread them out however you want to get that natural shape, and the size is perfect. It's tall enough to fill a corner in the living room or make a nice statement by the entryway. We absolutely love it out here on our concrete next to the deck. It's one of those things that really changes the vibe of a space without any hassle, and I could see it being a great gift too. We love it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.